Today, we will introduce how to solder the 8-leg resistor during the process of soldering the 4 resistors. The process of soldering resistance is actually similar to soldering 8-pin components, where the pins need to be fixed first, followed by soldering other pins in sequence, and finally repairing the pins that were originally fixed. Resistance elimination is the combination of several resistors with identical parameters that are packaged together. It has the advantages of convenient assembly and high installation density. If it is necessary to use resistors with the same resistance value, consistent performance, same temperature coefficient, and high stability in a circuit, multiple resistors are often integrated into a packaging structure similar to a chip to form a resistance. The PCB space occupied by resistance removal is small, and the unit cost is low, which can greatly improve the system integration and production assembly efficiency of electronic products. After the soldering is completed, let's check the soldering effect. There is a pinching problem. Let's resolder here. Observing the soldering effect from the side again, it is perfect. The above is the entire content of this video. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave a message below. Please also like and follow us to show support. Thank you.